Like most homes, the underside of the deck is not a functional space and it doesn't look great. You see cobwebs, you see fasteners, you see water stains. And what homeowners are looking for is to try and make this not only functional so they can use it, but also turn it into something that's beautiful. So the homeowner has put a lot into the look of this home. It's a beautiful siding job. They have a 3 seasons porch, they have beautiful landscaping, and you'll see by the deck it's really well done. But underneath the deck just doesn't really match the vibe of this whole home. So the team at Quality Underdecking is working to waterproof this with our Inside Out Underdecking to make it functional and beautiful. Here's the fundamentals of our system. As water is running through this deck, it goes into these panels. Now all the panels have been sloped towards our gutter system, and everything goes from the gutter, goes out to the downspout, and gets away from the house. So I want to point out a really cool detail that the team did here. Each deck is very different. And so these have the stairs running right through the center of the deck. So what they did in order to make this look nice with the rest of the underdeck is they used our G channel, ran it along the ends, sloped the panels down so it's going to collect all the water that comes through the stairs and just takes it away from the home. It's spring here in Michigan, and that means it's rainy season. Now that they've finished up this underdecking system, it's waterproof, so this turns it into a functional space that the homeowners get to use way more than they did before.